Alright, welcome back. Jarnek, how can I be a better person? Number one, ask yourself who you want to be in life. Not what you want to be, but who you want to be. Do you want to be respectful? Do you want to be disciplined? Do you want to be loving? Do you want to be free? Do you want to be relaxed? Whatever it is, first ask yourself that. And then based on the answer, ask yourself the next question. Let's say you choose respect. So what would a respectful person do and behave and say in any circumstances? What would you put in your body? How would you work out? How would you talk to your mother? How would you approach school, work, co-workers, schoolmates? Anything and everything comes from a place of respect. Always ask yourself, what would a respectful person do? Would I do that? Would I say that? And if the answer is no, then don't do it. And if the answer is yes, do it. That's how you become who you want to become. Whether that is respectful, loving, appreciating, grateful, happy, joyful, free, whatever you want to be in life, or whoever you want to be in life, is always possible if you say and do actions consistent with who you want to be. That's it. That's how you become a better person.